Hi guys, today I'm going to be cutting my own bangs. I'm going to be using the brand Mondo tutorial. I already have bangs, but they're really long and I want to cut it myself, and I want a lot more bangs than what I have now. So let's start. Okay, so I think I already have a middle part.
Think you want them, and depending on how thin your hair is naturally, I'm going to go about 2 inches back, and I am going to take these down to about the end of her eyebrow.
So I think my current bangs are already about a couple of inches. So I think I might just go slightly more in. Does it look like a good triangle here? Okay. All right, then I am just going to clip my hair back. All right, so that seems like a lot. I'm a little nervous, but okay. So I'm gonna wet this hair. All right, it's okay. I mean, if this is a fail, I'll just grow it out. I mean, there's still like 3 weeks before Christmas, so it'll grow out. Okay. Ooh. So he said to cut it right here around the nose area. So I'm gonna go just slightly below the nose. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I did it! Oh my god, it's scary. This is so much. Wow, it may be too much. I don't know. All right. Then he says to take this, the two ends, and make sure they're yeah, I think they are, right? All right. Then we part it again. Well, it's not so much. I don't think it's so much. Seems like one side is more than the other, though. Why? Okay, so definitely one side is more than the other. Okay, well, I don't know what to say. Did I just go way too far? I must have. Yeah, I probably should have taken this piece. And what I'm doing is going the opposite direction. And then cut this excess. Like that? That look right? Okay. And then I'm gonna take this side and do the same thing. It's a little bit hard to do because I'm not really using the mirror, just using the camera, so. Okay, there it is. All right, how's it look? I don't know. I'm not sure about that. Okay, then what I do is, I think he said to carefully cut into this. I don't know what he means by that. But just cut into it and see. I don't have any difference. And then I would do the same on this side. I think I might want it to be slightly more angled. So maybe that's what I do, make it a little bit more angled. I don't know what that does, but here it is. So actually it doesn't look too terrible. It looks okay. All right, let me dry and see how the final outcome looks like. So if I let it down, actually it's not as noticeable that one side's have more than the other side. I think with a little more styling, I can totally make it work. So I'm okay with it. I think I did okay for just, you know, taking the leap and trying and following the tutorial. It's very easy to follow. The steps are very understandable. So I have fun doing it actually. And thank you for watching, everyone.